everyone, it's Crafty Mom with 3 sets of twins and a cat named Moonshadow who always entertains us every day. I just want to thank you for coming by and watching my video and my crafts. I hope that you will subscribe, like, hit the notification bell because Moonshadow and I would love it. Thank you and continue to watch. Okay, I have these strips of wood that I bought from Amazon. I think they came like 60 in a package. They weren't very expensive. And I have cut off like a little bit of the ends, and I'm going to use a wood glue to put them together. You will see on the edges there's a little bit of a gap, but I'm not going to worry about that because I'm going to use a decorative item later on, you will see, and it will cover that up. So I am going to put some glue in there, but I'm just going to glue all these together with wood glue, sort of like making a little platform for them. As you can see now, I'm gluing them with wood glue, and it's going to take a little bit of time. I'm sorry it's a little bit out of focus. I'm using this new system, and but you'll see how it's done. So you just glue each piece, and I let it sit overnight so that it has a really good bond. And this is the wood glue that I got from Dollar Tree, and it works really, really good. So you'll just keep pressing them together. And I was a little bit leery about this particular project. I wasn't really sure how it was going to turn out. I didn't have a specific home decor idea in mind, but I definitely wanted to try something with the wood pieces. So this was more of a trial and error or just an experiment. I do have some baby wipes there that I'm wiping some of the glue off with. As you can see, that's how I cut it, because I didn't show that before, but I had measured it, cut it. It took me probably 3 or 4 times to actually cut it. Like I said, it was more of an experiment for me to try to do this, because I do have all these, I guess, sticks. And I wanted to do something with them that was pretty clever, I guess. And you could see me cutting it. You have to score it maybe 3 or 4 times. You have to keep scoring it till you get a good cut in there, and then you could just sort of snap it off. But it does take a few times. May not happen right away, but you just got to keep working at it. So I'm going to go back, score it some more. I have a little machine that I could have used that just cuts it immediately. It's like a little mini saw machine, and it's electric, but I was too lazy to go out in the garage and get it and plug it in. My kids sort of don't like the noise of it, so they were going, "Don't use that, please." So I didn't. Okay, then you could see I painted it. I guess I used the Waverly paint. I'm going to use the rope now to go through the sides. So I guess we lost the footage of me painting with the Waverly antique wax, and now I'm just going to be gluing the rope all the way around. Sorry, I just used a brush. I didn't wipe it off. I just pretty much just painted it on all sides. I even painted underneath. And now I'm using this little circle from the Dollar Tree. I've got some greenery that I got from Walmart's. I'm going to make a bow out of the burlap. I just double it. I'm going to put a piece of twine around the middle, really tight. I wanted it to look very rustic, so I'm going for the country look. I'm going to tie it really, really tight, as you will see. And then I'm going to make a knot, and then I'm going to pull the bow out and fluff it. And this is a wired burlap that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm going to snip off the little ends because we don't need them. We are going to glue all of this onto my little tray that I made. And I'm just going to press it down into my little tray. So it's Don't Stop Believin', Sprout Some Love. And I used some of my little farm ribbon that I got from Dollar Tree. I love the way this turned out. It's so rustic looking, and I love that it is just so farmhouse. Next, I've got these plates from Dollar Tree. These are like the plastic ones. I had a similar one back in the wintertime that was the ceramic ones, but these are plastic, which I sort of like because they're lightweight and they're not going to chip or break. My ceramic one that I made earlier in the year, I have that in my house using that one. And this one I thought would be nice because it sort of like matches if I wanted to use it on a table for a party. There's also a little tray that they had this week at Dollar Tree. It was called like an organizer for like pencils and stuff, so it's in your stationery department. But you can also use that to put like a cheese plate. It matches this perfectly. So you might want to look for it at Dollar Tree. I'm using some glue from, it's like E6000, but it's a different brand. It comes 3 in a pack. And then I'm going to use some of my glue gun. And I'm just making this little, it's like a riser to use in your home decor. You can use it for food. You can use it to decorate. So many different ways to use this. But it definitely needs to sit overnight because of the It's like a E6000 glue, but it's got another name. But I love this marble look. It's very, very pretty. So you could just decorate it with different things and flowers. You'll see it again in my hallway. You can put food on it. I've got some muffins that you could put on it. These muffins, by the way, came from Costco. They were really big and they're so good. End up being like $4 a box for 6 of them. And there's the little tray or riser with my little bunny rabbit on it. And I think it's so cute. Next is a jar that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna pull the little tag off on the bottom. And any of these would make nice Mother's Day presents or birthday presents or gifts for somebody that you care about. Also, I would love it if you would subscribe, please. Hit the like button, notification bell. And just welcome to my family. I love all you guys. I hope you're enjoying the crafts that we've been making. Well, I've been making. Anyway, I got these solo flowers. They're solo wood flowers. I put some burlap and I wrapped it around the rim of the glass jar. And then I have a little gemstone. It's clear. This is so sweet and so cute, and it'll look cute in a bathroom. On a vanity, I'm putting some cotton balls in it. You could put different items in it, but how cute is this for a Mother's Day present? Or even a birthday gift. Or even just a gift to give to somebody to make them smile. That would be nice. I love to give gifts away and just to see people smile. And then you can screw the lid back on, and look how cute this is. It's pretty simple, but adorable. Absolutely love it. I sort of pulled the strings out on the little edges of the burlap to give it a little bit of a rough look. Those I think I ended up pulling off eventually. And there you can see it. I love the texture of this jar too. And there it is again. How pretty is that? Something simple and pretty. And thank you for watching. You guys have a lovely day. I love you all. Take care. Be kind to each other. And don't forget to subscribe to our family. We love all of you.